Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
If you see one off the video, good morning. You still write good morning for there. Small picking or the all of us. I say good morning. I go write you now good morning. I know good morning. I know that one for side. If I don't know ABC, but good morning where they are one. Una good morning. Now welcome. God will bless you now in the morning, bless you in the evening. He said one woman, he get one Keta. Yes. He get one woman video when I see yesterday, one Chris woman when he did for Italy. One Chris woman when he did for Italy, where they call Omilaoji. Bonjour, mommy. Where they call Milaoji. You don't say this life who they say if I tell you and say evil people now they believe. Evil people, now be evil people for community. I they tell you and they believe. Who get good at, don't get good at. Make them not going to pretend say they be good people. The way that they try to make our Benin people understand, many of our Benin people they get wicked acts. Both mama, both papa, many of them they be evil. Now Benin land for come. I know them. I be Benin man, mama na Benin man, papa na Benin. Many of our Benin people they be evil. Who no know. Me na Benin man, na the truth I talk. Make they draw me go anywhere. If they draw me go one, I go there. Many of our Benin people, they be evil. They get wicked hearts. As they get an so they if they born, that picky they get evil hearts. As if they marry, if they born, their picky will go marry another man, will go another man house. That evil heart go sit there with them for marriage house. That's why you see so many of them. They know if they stay for husband house today. Now their papa with their mama now they for collect evil. Where they worry them today. All these kind of people, and they get mad where they know how to talk. I can't join one woman where they declare Umilaoji waiting for Italy. We don't cost one breast throw away. The time we did for road for Italy when they do a shower. Now so he open leg, say me dog the leak. Now so dog go bite the breast. He can't cut one of the breast away. Una no say F wait for Italy. If you wait there for Italy, we go fuck his stepdaughter that day. You know say he don't play this woman money. Now make body the pepper ramo. You know he like to see person where they do good. Mila Akin, if good keep person, as a gagoma, as a want. If good kill you, not be say you can't take and proof for another person body. This Olivier no get what he do you now. Olivier learn work. Una see one man where they do beads for Europe, for the whole Europe as I when I don't see one man where they do beads. Where they do EVA, if una don't know one. A bead, he too strong for my maths. Bead too strong for my EVA. One man where they do EVA, where they for Germany. Pikin when he learn work, he can't reach Europe, he say work not go lost. Pikin when he learn work, Olivier, when he learn this one, I don't know what the beads, you know, I be, you know. If not beady, mo kuna write yes, whether not beady correct. No, help me write yes, whether not beady. When help me write yes, I beg. One know whether I correct, one not go speak Oyibo we know for start dictionary. Because any word for Oyibo for start dictionary. This one I pick it when he learn work. He don't want me he work lost. As he learn this work, so pikin come this from a present of a pikin they do one. I win year do get way. The same tradition of Benin non lost. He can't learn work for papa hand, learn work for mama hand. He can't reach Europe. He can't do one. He can't say he get good hearts. He heart open. He can't say me do gift for people. Gift now do for people where they beat and so gift or ni wana gbe ba na iviedo wa be na gbon o if you wa uni wana ona muniya be gift ona muniya ona wa do si ezori emila kimi video no uno there. All those one I be better woman for community so. All those cowards, no autistics. Now I be better woman. Mona, come tell me the truth now. Now say attitude they cost women. Attitude they cost women. Who be better woman? Milaki. No the better one go family way. No the better attitude they cost women. Ogu go kill your generation. Go kill your picky. Go kill your mama. Go kill you. This one I be good mama. This one I be good mama. I dey ask you a question. Now good mama be this. Now good mama be this. Person when you do gift with your own money, now you buy the material. Now they beat so today. All this one I be better woman for community. Wagari agboa. Wagima disgrace gbema. He ready no one. He ready no one. Me wa ready no one wagima disgrace gbema. Wagima disgrace gbema. Abacha wo ne kwemu. Awu we no gin. Ne kwemu. Abe gua. Wagima je gbema. Wagima je gbema. He ready no one. Ika won wa. Ika won wa. De pe video we. Ni pe video we.
For joining. Good morning. Yes, it's me, Diana. Yes, again the second. AK social media police. A quick one. Just a quick one. A boy and another, will be on one, will be on my girl later too. Who were on where damn a boy gay? Who will not damn a boy gay? Where? Who were you on? Uwe monu uwe wana wawe saga muda wawe kwekwe o ma no pe uwe ebe no wesena we are saga we are setting Audi Oba Olivier Roba CEO of Olivier Roba
Den wedo wa shawo ola shawo oligbi agia ola shawo ligbi agia we no gin we poto we do Olivier Roba makoyo Olivier Roba no ekitu ano me ona ya wizo anyone we emikpodi ona wizo anyone doju we we national cake here we can we Vivian or you we guy with December na that why you we guy if you want see national cake you want do this December may take your toto share for us we ready to contest am because we be national cake. Olivier Roba, he do gifts for a people. Olashawo can't do gift for us. We not can't do gift for us. Tumeli Toto can't do gift for us. Now work when he learn. Now he take do gift for us. Work when you learn. We can't do gift for us now. Don't get any man. Where we don't go away with any money, I bow bobo, we are. Maybe our president one who are con the war. Common sense will not get. Mokuna listen. A person when he learn work, he take work when he learn to do gift for us. You will can't do asha. We can't give us gift now. Can't give us gift. Whose gift you want give us? Come open up for. Don't care. Be a go. Bana when in unu when I resolve blade, he can't see your bow kagani yadi. I did draw and go back. I did draw. I never see any of for social media we go feel we stand me. Oh, no be stand lie the talk. Oh, do what how na you acting nye. Beni guana ni anogwale viewer na bomama. Ne du mezedo gi ohun. Du mezedo nu gi ohun. O meme no reference nu gi ohun. Wa o na je gbe na we na je gbe asi wo we kian na kan ma we no gunu eh. Opia ne gbe ran. Igbe na today I want play video. Man winning where the other day say me they go carry ojuju me they go the cause Benin people. The ojuju winning lead they go cause now. The ojuju winning lead the Papa Wala go cause. Now yesterday they return the ojuju now. The one back on talk say make they know they put them for air again. Ojuju wanna cause una put them for air. Many I see and many which put us air. Why many which condemn the ojuju? Una want go return cost now. You not say Benin people, they be Wayo people. I can never say the lie. I always say the truth. Emata no rekin ata emata. Era me wa emata gbe me o ma se o gbe me. Jojuju wona cost una put am for public. To do now they do and I say mo na not put am for public. Say they say me they not put am for public again. No say Benin people truth not dey for their mouths. Wagia condemn me man. Wagia garia boa. Wagaria boa. Person when he learn work for childhood now, he learn work. They pay me for art. Since when I say this video since they pay me for art. Work when he learn. December come. I see some people now this December. As I did for social media, some people don't bring gift for me now. Some people they say Atiti bring your account, more give you gifts because of the good work we they do. This one now, he taking money buy material away from Nigeria, and I buy the material come. He buy material come from Nigeria. He can't take and do beads. He can't dash people. Olivier Roba, honor we gift in Oma. Asha wo do we gift in Oma. Do you we ga? Inguna ni yewe na. Eh ya we gift in Ania. Asha wo milaki where do you we gift in Emania? Can't tell you to give us gift now. Because they don't give una gift. Una say Benin women and Benin some Benin men. Because they don't give the boy not give them. He call people. The boy call me. The boy come now and say no. Bring my own on private for me. Bring a private for me. You understand me? Me not be person where they want me, they just they carry out to go every. Me not person.
Que sepa que esos son para clientes,
¿Qué es cliente?
Este. Son para clientes.
¿Tú dame café?
Vale. No, tú tienes que pasar a pedírmelo, no de la ventana. A mí no me gusta que me pidan por la ventana, ¿eh?
Yo paso adentro.
Vale, tú pasas adentro y me pides el café.
Vale.
Vale, pasa adentro, hombre. No me vengas y me vengas a mí con señas.
Tú hablas con otro gente.
No me vengas con señas.
Tú hablas con otro gente, ¿sí o no?
Tú pasa adentro y di buenos días siquiera, ¿vale? Tú no me vengas a mí a decir, el café. No, a mí no me digas eso, ¿eh? Tú primero pases adentro y dices buenos días. Y si no, no pases.
Dame ahora. Igual de ya pedí café.